Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to fix Truist Bank security verification issues. With an easy and effective method, welcome to our channel. When dealing with Truist Bank's security verification process issues can be frustrating. But the solution is simpler than you might think. First, start by ensuring your internet connection is stable and secure, as connection errors often cause verification failures. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, or if you are using the mobile app, try closing and reopening it. This clears any potential data conflicts that might block the verification step. Now verify that your registered phone number or email address with Truist Bank is active and correct. This is essential because all verification codes are sent through these channels. If you do not receive the code within a few minutes, check your spam or junk mail folder. And also confirm your phone settings are not blocking messages or calls. After this, head to the authentication step on the Truist platform and request a new verification code. Use the option to resend the code if your first attempt was unsuccessful. When you receive the code, enter it carefully exactly as sent. If your entry fails, try typing it slowly or copying and pasting it without extra spaces or characters. If problems persist, consider switching to a different device or browser, as technical issues may be device-specific. Sometimes updates to the mobile app or browser can resolve unknown glitches, so always check for and install the latest updates. Another tip is to temporarily disable any VPN or firewall settings that might interfere with the connection to Truist Bank servers. If you have exhausted these options and still face verification issues, contacting Truist Bank customer support is the best next step. Their team can provide account-specific assistance and resolve any back-end issues. You can reach them via phone, live chat, or secure email support. Remember, keeping your personal information confidential throughout this process is crucial for your security. Using these steps one after another will usually resolve any Truist Bank security verification complications quickly and safely. Thank you for staying with us and learning this easy verification fix.